Jai Hind students, it's my next video and last video also, and this is the chapter Misbil the Otter and chapter 8 from the book First Flight. So you have read and you have come to know that the author had brought his pet Misbil, who was an otter, and he brought it to London. Then see here. After an eventful journey, Maxwell and his otter reach London, where he has a flat. Miss and I remained in London for nearly a month, and he would play for hours with a selection of toys. Means he would play with a lot, means 2 or 3 type of toys he would use, like ping pong balls, marbles, rubber fruit, and terpen shell. Terpen shell is the shell of small turtle that is found in North America, and the author had brought from the place where otter was living, means marshy areas, means muddy areas. So with the ping pong ball, he invented a new game. The author had a suitcase that's lid was broken, damaged. उसका जो ढक्कन था, एक कवर था, वो डैमेज हो गया था. So that the lid when closed remained at a slope from one end to other, like this, from here to here. It had a slope because the cover was broken. So when it was closed, it had a slope. So what he would do here, if he placed the ball on the high, what did he do? He would place the ball to the high and wait for rolling down the ball to the other end, and it would run down the length of the suitcase. Then see here, suppose it is a suitcase and it is upside and it is not totally covered and broken. So he would just keep the ball from here. It is high, it is upside, and the ball keeps running here to the other side, like from the up to the low, in this way. So this is the and other end to ambush its arrival. So it would roll there, and what he did, he would just arrived there, and crouching means bending to spring, and just sprang. He would spring up there to take the ball, and he would do like he would not like to do to reach it to the other end and grab it and trot off with it to the high end at once more. तो वो क्या करता था कि जब वो एक एंड से दूसरे एंड तक वो रोल करती थी बॉल, तो वो जाता था बीच में एंड ही वुड ग्रैब द बॉल सो दैट द बॉल कुड नॉट रीच टू द अनदर साइड, एंड अगेन ही वुड just throw it to the high. So this type of activity he would do. And outside the house I exercised him on a lead. Lead means he would have a leash. एक रस्सी होती थी, पट्टा होता था, या you can say belt होती थी. Lead means, and the author was carrying otter with that belt, precisely as if he had been a dog. It was as it was a dog. Miss quickly developed certain compulsive habits, means the habits that you can't change, that you can't change also, that are habits that are means beyond control, means habitual, becoming habitual on these walks in the London streets, like the rituals of children. And the author is comparing otter with the children. He would go to school, and they would do many activities on the way, and also when they would come to school. तो जब स्कूल जाते थे, आते थे, अपने रास्ते में जो बच्चे शरारतें करते थे, तो the author is comparing comparing otter with those children. So let's see what type of activities he would do here. Must place their feet squarely on the center of each paving block. I am just showing you, like see here, like this floor you would have seen, like this, one block, then two, then three, then four. So what would the children children do? They would keep their feet here, then here, then here. So in the same way, Misbil also would do the same thing. He would keep his feet this block, this block, this block, and this block. Children often do this. So the poet is saying that means square here. Yeah, see here, paving block. Then he would also keep his feet on those blocks. Must, next is must touch every seventh upright of the iron railings. And whenever children see any railway, any railing, they would touch it. तो वो क्या करते थे बच्चे कि सेवेंथ जो रेलिंग होती थी, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 को टच करते थे. तो इन द सेम वे Misbil was also doing that. And or another, pass to the outside of every second lamp post. See here, like this lamp post, I am showing you. Lamp post means any pillar, like street lamp here and here. So they would, what do they children, they would just touch it, 1 2 3 4, they would touch it. So Misbil also did that. And another activity that children do, they come here, then enter there, then again they come here, then enter. They would just make it for their enjoyment. So the same thing Otter was also doing, but never on his way out. Miss would tug me. Tug means to pull hard someone, किसी को झटके से खींचना. To this wall, और वो झटके से खींचता था वॉल की तरफ. Jump on it, to it, and gallop. Gallop means proceeding at a very high speed. And he would gallop the full length of its 30 yards. So what was there? Another thing, there was a primary school in front of the author's building apartment, and in that primary school the boundary was about 2 feet high and 30 yards. It's what means measurement is it's yards. Yards means measurement was like means near about 30 yards. तो वो क्या करता था कि 2 feet high wall पे चढ़ जाता था, and he would run there to the hopeless distraction both of pupils and staff within. And when he would do that, all the pupils and staff means teachers, they would not be able themselves not to be distracted. Means वो बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान से देखने लगते थे. And he would be there walking there on the wall that was about 2 feet high, and all the students, they were looking at him, and the staff means teachers were also looking at the otter. It is not, I suppose, in any way strange that the average Londoner should not, Londoner means who were London means living being, you can say, as we are Indians. So here Londoner should not recognize an otter, means who were Londoners, they were not, means London citizens, they were not able to recognize an otter. And but the variety of guesses as to what kind of animal this might be came as a surprise to me. Means all the London citizens, they were not able to identify otter. And otters belong to a comparatively small group of animals called mustelians, and shared by the badger, mongoose, weasel, stoat, mink, and others. So otter was like these type of animals. So I faced a continuous barrage of conjectural means so many questions they were asking me. लंदन में जो लोग रहते थे वो बहुत सारे questions भी करते थे and they would eager to know about Miss Bell. Means so many questions were there full of guesses were there. Now here that spread all the okay, but the utter more random guesses hit on a baby seal means they would guess like baby seal, it's a baby seal, and a squirrel, and they would think maybe it was a squirrel. Is that a walrus? और कुछ तो लोग कहते थे walrus है ये, and mister, and reduced me to giggles. Giggles means laugh. And outside a dog show I heard a hippo, and someone was saying hippo, and then a beaver, a bear cub, a leopard, and one apparently that had changed its spots, and a brontosaur. Miss was anything but not an but anything but an otter. So they were guessing. All the London citizens, they were guessing what type of animal is this. Someone was saying baby seal, someone was saying squirrel, और कुछ लोग उसको कुछ और भी नाम बताते थे, कुछ मतलब तरह तरह का नाम वो लोग उसको बताया करते थे. बट द क्वेश्चन फॉर विच आई अवॉर्डेड द हाइएस्ट स्कोर केम फ्रॉम अ लेबरर डिगिंग अ होल. वहाँ पे कुछ लोग लेबरर थे, दे वर डिगिंग अ होल इन द स्ट्रीट, and I was still far from him when he let down his tool. उसने अपना टूल रखा. He stopped his work and put his hands on his hips. उसने अपने हिप से हाथ रखा and began to stare. Stare means looking attentively. As I drew nearer, I saw his expression of surprise. He was looking surprisingly and affront, as though he would have me know that he was not one upon whom to play jokes. I came abreast of him. He spat, glared, and then growled out, "Here, mister, what is that supposed to be?" And he could not identify. Then he asked, "Oh, mister, what is that supposed to be?" Means he was not able to guess otter. So all the people means people in London, they were not able to guess which type of animal was with the author. And as here the author is explaining here that this is comparatively a small group of animals called mustelines, shared by the badger, mongoose, and weasel, stoat, mink, and others. So means generally all the means otters are belong to this type of group of animals. And here people were just thinking it was seal, baby seal, squirrel, and walrus. So many guesses were there. Okay students, this is the end of this chapter, and just read it line by line and try to understand. Jai Hind students.